Alright guys, what's up Moto fam? So this is my first time riding the factory edition. I thought about shooting some videos and stuff on it before I got it dirty, but then I was like, you know what, screw it, let's just ride it. Let's get some thoughts out to you guys. There's plenty of time to wash it, clean it, dial it in, all that stuff. So I'm gonna hit the turn track. It's not prepped or anything like that, so it's not gonna be a great day as far as that's concerned, but we'll start to learn the feel of this bike, and I'll be able to give you guys some early thoughts about how it differs from the current generation, and just have some fun on a dirt bike. I got Tyler here on his YZ. Mason's putting the chain on his KX250 right now. And yeah, hopefully be a good day. Little background, set the tire pressure. I haven't even checked the fork pressure yet, so that shows you how much I care. We'll dial that in here later, but it's pretty dry, pretty hard pack. Let's just see what this thing's like. I'm gonna let Tyler get a little bit ahead of me because of dust. Definitely the whole contour of the bike, it feels noticeably different. I do feel like I'm sitting on the bike even more than I was. Like the seat feels really flat. I don't know what it looks like on top here. A little sketchy. I think it pulls harder. Whoa, I always forget about this new turn. I think it pulls harder than the 19. Alright, it's definitely got more pull than the 19, guys. Definitely. Closer to how my Cali's used to feel. I've always described the KTMs as like a smooth, mellow, long pull. Man, I don't want to get this thing muddy. I've always described the KTMs as a smooth, mellow, long pull, and some of the Japanese bikes as more explosive hit. This one's a little, like kind of like a bridge between those two. Definitely notice an improvement in these foot pegs over the 19 generation. Not sure if it's the shape or the placement or what. And I might till this thing up and ride in the morning too. Brakes feel great, nice and progressive. I think it leans over a little easier than the other bike. And one thing to keep in mind is my other bike has the correct springs for me and this one does not. So, but this one doesn't feel soggy or stink buggy. I might be able to just drop another 10 and keep this spring. Won't be able to really tell. Won't be able to really tell so I can hit some jumps though. that feeling of a new bike, where everything's so tight and the throttle's so free. It's like you can clean these throttles and they never feel like they do when they're new. It seems like it over revs freer. Like, it feels, the engine characteristic to me feels a little more like the 350 than like the 450s normally feel. Because normally the single cam 450s are just very chug, 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 lug, lug, lug. This one feels like it revs freer. I know the bike got heavier, but it feels lighter. It feels lighter to me. All these corners, it's got plenty enough power in third gear, you know, for the speed I go anyway. Don't even have to shift down to second like I do on the 19 sometimes. Been trying to do this thing this year where I work on form. Like, my foot placement has always been dreadful, right on the arch. I'm trying to remember that. Keep on the balls of my feet. I also have to say, I don't think you can beat these stock levers. I have flows on my 19, and they're nice if you have shorter fingers like me, but they just ruin the feel compared to the stock lever. Of course, the bike has the soft Emig grips, or the soft ODIs that are full diamond on the front, waffle in the back, I think. Yeah, I think I'm going to switch to the Rogue, see if I can like those. Fourth, third, second, first. Just to give you an idea. Oh my gosh, it pulls in those straights, guys. It's like, it's got the power of a 450 with the over, like the fast rev and the over rev of a 350. I can't wait to get into a real moto track now. It's probably going to be another week before I can do it. Whoa! Oh, just went through the mud hole. I can tell you though, this bike is a nice improvement on a 19 to 22 Gen, which is already an awesome bike, guys. But if you're trying to decide, just go ahead and snag you a 2023, because this bike is sick. And I think I've noticed a difference in the front fender already as far as dirt coming up. Feels good. And whoa, started to lose the front end there. Freaking Dunlop. so far, the fat bars haven't even bothered me, and the height feels pretty comfortable. So I don't even think I'll change the bars, guys. I think I'll just leave them. I need to adjust that clutch lever in. I'm gonna tweak air in the forks, the suspension, all that, but I don't think I'll have to touch this bike much, guys. Wear out these Dunlops and put some star crosses on here, and I'll be good to go. Alright guys, so that's the first warm-up session on the KTM 450. I appreciate every one of you guys. Obviously I'm not a pro or anything close. I'm just an average guy, which I think is good for most of you guys watching that are also average guys. We're gonna have some of the same bad habits. We're gonna make a lot of the same mistakes. And yes, I'm not very fast, but I do spend a lot of time on and around motorcycles. And I think I can give you guys some pretty good thoughts. So I appreciate all of y'all, and I'll see you in the next video.